I'm feeling nervous. Let's do it. So there's my speech tomorrow. So अभी मैंने बस I completed this. Okay. अभी so I just completed it. मेरा format like जो भी wordings है कैसी हैं कैसी नहीं है. तो let's check it. ठीक है. Feedback देना जरूर. So. नारी केवल अस्तित्व नहीं, राष्ट्र निर्माण का आधार है। उसकी सस्ती से ही सतत और विकसित भारत साकार है। सशक्तिकरण नहीं उपकार, ये समय की पुकार है। नारी के उत्थान में ही राष्ट्र का उज्जवल भविष्य साकार है। Today, I stand here to speak on the role of women in building developed India. Namaste, respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. Let me start with a simple question. Can a bird fly with only one wing? Obviously not. And similarly, a nation cannot become developed until half of its population held underdeveloped. India seems to become Vikshit Bharat by 2047, but will it be inclusive? Because development is not just about GDP growth, infrastructure, or technology. Real development is about equality, dignity, and opportunity for all. Constitution provisions, Article 14, 15, 16, Directive Principles, National Commission for Women, Ministry of Women and Child Development, government initiatives like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Mahila Shakti Kendra, Ujjwal schemes, self-help groups, maternity relief, NGOs for government. Constitutional provisions, Article 14, 15, 16, Directive Principles, National Commission for Women, Ministry of Women and Child Development, government initiatives like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Mahila Shakti Kendra, Ujjwala schemes and all, etc. are working, then why safety at risk, opportunity missed, wages unequal, equal education dismissed, health ignored, unpaid work. Once again. So I will start from government initiatives like constitutional provisions. So, constitutional provisions, Article 14, 15, 16, Directive Principles, National Commission for Women, Ministry of Women and Child Development, government initiatives like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Mahila Shakti Kendra, Ujjwala schemes. If these all are working, then why safety at risk, opportunity missed, wages unequal, education dismissed, health ignored, unpaid work paid, voices unheard, and rights often denied? From streets to homes, women faces violence in many forms. Today, I'm here not to speak. I want you to feel my words. Are you giving? So ask yourself: are you giving equal opportunities? Let's just not talk about women empowerment. Make it 3 P's: protect it, practice it, and promote it. Empowerment on paper to empowerment in practice. My ladies, my diamond ladies, you are not weak. You need to seek your qualities, your opportunities. If you will not stand for yourself, then no one else is going to stand for you. Niti Aayog and government reports clearly explains that 50% women in education but out of